my baby, my Valentine, yeah. Boy, now you done making my temperature dead rise. If you leave me, I go die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need.
Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So today, I thought it's hot. There's a beautiful sun. Let me get sun-kissed. Let me go on you guys. But no, that's not the reason that why I'm doing the video. I'm doing the video because I got this clip, 2 minutes clip, of Patricia Mashele being vindicated in court for being a whistleblower who did nothing wrong. Allegedly, there is someone that opened a case against her and her husband. They are opening a case. They opened a case, I think, in 2023 because this was 2024 when she was found not guilty, including her husband. And the judge even went as far as saying, but there is no crime that is in community of property. I don't even understand why is accused number 2, which was Patricia's husband here. So it goes back to what she always says, that people in power will always use the state resources for their own selfish reasons, to shut people up and to do whatever they want to do. But oh girl guys, she was like, I'm back. I'm vindicated. I'm back. Remember, I am protected by the law of whistleblowers. I have the right to expose whatever it is out about corruption and crime in South Africa. She's protecting the country. She is protecting the country, and she's not gonna stop. That one is willing to die for our country. Shame. That's a Mandela willing to go and spend 27 years for Robben Island. I don't know which kind of Robben Island she's in, but she's always on the run for her life. What I can say is that Patricia is never gonna keep quiet, guys. They must just let her be. She is never. People are going to stop making crime, and Patricia, be aware. They are going to stop making crime. People are going to stop using the state resources to do their own selfish deeds and expect people to roll over and keep quiet. Patricia is not the one. You cannot mess with her. You cannot keep her quiet. You cannot tell her what to do. You can't. When it comes to Patricia, go hang. She is not going to stop. Girl is not. I cannot believe that they actually also included her husband into the whole. These are the tactics of someone or people that are trying to shut her up, and she is not shutting down. She is not. And it is such, wow, guys, if listen, you know what, it is just a shock for me to realize Usis Patricia's God is bigger than we realize. Because tell me why every time these people take Patricia to court, they don't win, number one. Number two, they will always drag her to court with documents that are incomplete or evidence that is not even there, and they can't produce this and that, which is needed for them to make sure that she's prosecuted. They try. She's not a coward. That's a Winnie Mandela, nan. Whoever said Winnie Mandela multiplied Ngyambon, Nangia Patricia. She multiplied there Patricia, because tell me why Ugel is like, I am not giving up. I will remain telling the truth. Guys, I'm wearing a mazaza because ilanga. Ilanga lisho qala ilanga. Yeah, also the time we don't know mazas. So I'm gonna put that clip on this video. You guys listen to her, listen to the judge, and please listen to that judge, because he's like very confused. Lela judge confused to the cop, because he's asking, I don't understand. Yabona, when he said, I've never heard of a crime in community of property, I was like, amapoyisa, guys. This judge said, I've never heard of such, so I don't even understand why her husband is here. Betunana. Yo, it's South Africa, guys. It's South Africa here too. It's South Africa. Anyway, guys, let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. What are your thoughts when it comes to all the cases and everything that has happened? Anyway, you are not going to believe what's happening currently in 2025 as of now. I will tell you that one on another video. After this video, about Patricia Mashele, because Patricia was vindicated. Naive judge, you are going to hear the judge telling us that there's no case against, there's no crime. The charges also don't, it looks like they don't even exist, because the state failed dismal to prove anything when it comes to the so-called charges that they actually produced against Patricia. But nevertheless, before anything else, what I am so interested in right now is the next video, because I am going to be reading documents there where you guys are going to listen to the things that are being done and being said there after this judgment. By the way, after this judgment from the judge, after the things that the judge said, and there is someone who still and went did the other deed after this against Patricia. So I will do that on the next video. Please be on the lookout for that, Kesana, because girl will be catching strays until clearly she is never going to see the rest of it. She's never gonna rest, you're resting Patricia. But okay, this is a cross that she is willing to bear. Big up to sis Pet. Big up. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on our next video. Let's do a quick comment section. What are your thoughts when it comes to this? Thank you so much. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
A bittersweet moment for Patricia Morgan Mashele and her husband George Mashele. The court found the duo not guilty of harassment. Delivering his judgment, Magistrate Laiki Mukatuni said the evidence brought by the state did not suffice and there was no case to answer, since the formulation of the charge sheet was not correct.
The state failed to showcast as to what was false and what was defamatory, and in that same breath there was no evidence which supposes as to what is the harm that was caused to that extent.
The criminal case was opened in October last year. The magistrate added that Major General So Lilisia failed to provide the original protection order copy as evidence in court.
After the state has adduced its evidence, the court is still watching in shock as to why accused number 2 stood before me. What was led in respect of what he did was incoherent, vague and ambiguous. And this court is of the view that there is no crime in community of property.
The accused breathed a sigh of relief that the matter has been concluded.
I've been waiting for this day for so long, and finally I'm vindicated. You heard what the court say. There was no crime, there was no charges, there was nothing. We were dragged before court because of people who were misusing state resources.
Morgan Mashele says she won't stop exposing corruption and will hold those responsible accountable.
I'm back. I'm going to proceed where I left off. Remember, I'm a whistleblower. You heard what the court say. I'm protected under the Protected Disclosure Act. I can reveal anything relating to crime, relating to corruption. I'm proceeding where I left off. I'm going to expose everything.
Mashele and her husband say they will take legal action against all those who made their lives a living hell. Aphumelele Mdlalane, SABC News, Bloemfontein.
Survive, I'll be honest. Your love and I am so obsessed. I want to chop your kabi ule. Your body they pack me shit.